I'm Joost and I'm here with the OZERO Deerskin gloves. Okay, so let's unpack this and see what we get. It's the OZERO gloves. They're made in China, that's what it says. And let's get these out of their plastic. Oh, they feel really soft. Really nice and soft. It says deerskin here. It is really soft. So let's try these on. Okay, yeah, so that's a perfect fit. I got my regular size. So I'm a size L here. And that fits perfectly, so you can just get the size that you need, and you've got these little things that come out, so this is really weatherproof. So let's try these out. So I am outside in the rain right now and no rain comes through these, so my hands are kept really dry. And now I'm on my bicycle. It's -2 degrees Celsius here in the Netherlands, and even while cycling with this cold wind, my hands are kept warm. So I really recommend these for anyone looking for a warm pair of gloves.